Hey there, Aditya Upadhyay this side. So a couple of months back, I went on a road trip with my family and we saw many people traveling on two-wheelers, mostly bikes. And according to the NFHS survey conducted by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, only 8% Indian families own cars. Over 50% use bicycles, bikes or scooters. We took breaks in between the trips and I saw many of the two-wheeler travelers struggling to charge their phones or power banks at the restaurants. Majority of their vehicles didn't have the phone charging feature. And that problem stuck in my mind. I started to think of a solution which can solve this problem, and that's how the idea of wind charger was born. Wind charger is a compact electricity generating device which can charge your phone or battery backup using wind energy. Another use that I later saw was that it can be a great solution for the rural place where frequent power cut is a serious issue. Solar panels are great, but not many people can afford it. The wind charger can be mounted on the top of their homes, and by harnessing the wind energy, it can charge the emergency backup battery. Now on to the part which shows functioning of wind charger. So now I'll show you the voltage values that we are getting out from the dynamo motor. I'll switch on the hair dryer and you can see the voltage difference over here. So now I'll quickly show you how the wind energy is converted into electrical energy by charging up the phone. And when I'll switch this on, the charging will begin in the phone. And just to make sure there is no other battery power source here, the cable is directly connected into the power module and the other end is connected into the phone. So let's get on to it. And when I'll switch it off, the charging will also stop. Now on to the real-time testing in the real-time environment. I attached my prototype on my two-wheeler and kept the circuitry part inside the bag as it was raining and plugged in the charger into the power module. The phone was at 66% battery power before testing. I plugged the charger into the phone. After traveling around 4.5 5 kilometers, I stopped and checked the circuitry. It was all intact. And when I checked the phone, the battery level increased by 1%, which was now 67%. So after performing the real-time testing, the phone's battery increased by 1% after traveling around 4.5 to 5 kilometers. I know it is comparatively slow, but it is still in the prototyping phase. And with the appropriate funds, we'll be able to upgrade this into a full-fledged product. And with better electronics, we'll be able to increase the output current, which means it would charge faster. So yeah, this was Wind Charger, my entry for this year's James Dyson Award. Thank you.